In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix new post not showing on Facebook. So first of all, open up your Facebook application. Now for example, if you're facing this issue, the first solution is to log out of your Facebook account and then log back in. So to do that, you have to tap on the menu, which is present at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now on the menu, you have to scroll down towards the end and tap on logout. Again tap on logout and you will be able to easily log out from your Facebook account. So now you very simply have to select that account once again and you will be able to log in automatically. But keep this in mind that I already have my password saved in my account center. But if that is not the case with you, Facebook will definitely ask you whether you want to save your login info. So you have to save your login info, then log out. So this should be able to fix your issue. But still, if the issue persists, another thing that you can do to fix this is to close your Facebook application and open your iPhone settings. On your iPhone settings, you have to tap on General. In General, you have to tap on iPhone Storage. In iPhone Storage, you have to scroll down and simply tap on Facebook. In Facebook, you have to tap on Delete application, then again tap on Delete to delete the Facebook application from your device. Once you're done, you have to close your settings, then open up your App Store application. On your App Store, you very simply have to search for Facebook and reinstall the Facebook application on your iPhone. So everyone, by doing this, you will be able to easily fix your new post not showing issue on Facebook. That's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.